Classification offered by the Artificial Neural Networks, ANNs, for the patient information and overview. Elena Martin Perez, Jacobo Salvat Davila, and Quentin Martin Martin. Purpose: study of the classification offered by the Artificial Neural Networks, ANNs, for the patient information variable in the not category in all data groups, training, testing, and holdout. Background: informed consent is a principle of medical ethics, medical law, and media studies because a patient must have sufficient information and understanding before making decisions on their medical care. Pertinent information may include risks and benefits of treatments, alternative treatments, the patient's role in treatment, and their right to refuse treatment. Methods: this study collects data from hospitals in the Burgos University Hospital, Spain, for 2 years, configuring a data file with 647 cases and 9 variables, 7 of them referring to the attitude to informed consent, sex, and age. We perform a descriptive analysis to have information about the variables that make up the classification prediction model, artificial neural network, and how the data are distributed by category, yes and not, of the patient information variable. Results: the structure of the most efficient artificial neural network found in the classification of the categories of the patient information variable, yes and not categories, is the binomial hidden layer output layer. Hyperbolic tangent softmax dependent variable, patient information, partition. Training 60%, testing 20%, and holdout 20%. Conclusions: the classification prediction of the patient information variable using the artificial neural network, perceptron, offers us the low classification prediction of the not category, which is the object of this study. An empirical investigation demonstrates that adding a new covariant variable, like consultation time, to the network enhances the classification of the not category. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.